Hello friends, welcome back to another amazing video. In this video I am going to draw some shape in paint, and here is the last video. We have drawn some shapes, so I want to delete this one. I will press delete, and I want to delete some most easy flags to draw. Friends, you can see I will draw some very easy flag, like, and I think this one is perfect. So we will draw this flag in in paint. So I think this is perfect. First of all, what will I do? I will draw its change its size so that it will be easy for us. I will choose this shape and I will draw it, and after that I will draw it, and after that I will choose red color and okay, I will make it red. And after that, what will I do? I will make it a little bit bold, you can see. Okay, this is the perfect one, friends. I will choose this again and I will draw it here. I think this is the perfect one, and I will paint it here. What will I do? I will just come to paint again. I will choose this tool and I will drag here, and I will again select this paint tool and I will drop here. So friends, you can see all is done. We have successfully created the basic style of this flag. Let's suppose I want to I want to draw some more easy flags, like this one is perfect. This one is just perfect. We need nothing. We need a basic size on which I think this is the perfect one. What will I do then? After that I will draw some. So friend, I am going to delete this one. This is not looking perfect. I need some other to do design. Okay, this is the Bangladesh. I will draw this flag. I need nothing but a dark green shape. This is done. After that I need a round shape of red color. This one is perfect. I will turn it to red. I will fill up with the red color, and after outside I will fill up with green. This is done. This is the flag of Bangladesh, and I think you will get some idea how you can design. And okay friends, in next video I will meet you. Bye bye.